Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how August 2020 will be for Libra or Tula Rashi. Firstly, the planetary positions. Retrograde Jupiter and Ketu are in the third. Retrograde Saturn is in the fourth. Mars in the sixth. Mercury, Venus and Rahu in the ninth. Sun is in the 10th house. So in this month we see that there are a lot of positive planets. Sun, Mars, Ketu, Venus are positive, and then after 15th even Mercury will be positive for you for your Rashi. So with many planets being positive and with also your Rashi Lord being posited in a favorable position, this will bring in a lot of positivity this month. However, Jupiter and Saturn are not in favorable positions. You may slightly feel some load because of that. There could be some slowdown in your actions which could be seen. However, don't lose heart. Use the energy of Sun and Mars and progress well. Your energy levels are going to be better. Your health will recover and it will stay good throughout the month. You will also have enough courage or more courage to face any kind of adverse situations. Okay, this is the overall for you this month. Now coming to the health aspect, if you have any chronic diseases, I think you should take care about it. Pain or spasm in the thigh area or in the calf area is indicated. There could be dehydration, so drink water adequately, that will help. Upper back, you could experience some issue, some pain or something, but however no need to worry so much because Mars and Sun, they are in a favorable state where they will help you to fight back and regain your health. In terms of career and business, people who are working will have tremendous energy and they will be having enough courage. They will be able to face any adverse situations and win basically. However, haste is not advised. Okay, if you are hasty, you may end up spoiling the show. Have that positive intent and energy, progress well. This is going to be a better month for working people. In terms of businessmen, if I have to talk, you'll progress well. There will be enough courage for you to take up some big and challenging tasks and commence those projects. Support from your business partner is going to be in very positive, and there will be a lot of healthy discussions which can happen. You have to be confident and progress well in this month. Now for students, it's going to be a better month where they will have more focus and confidence levels will be very high. So it's a positive month for students. In terms of gains, if I have to talk about, better gains are indicated in this month. You need to exercise a little caution while spending in an unplanned way. So all in all, I would say make the best use of it. This is going to be a better month for you in terms of gains. In terms of family, if I have to talk, there will be support coming in from elders as well as your spouse. Children may however be a little troublesome. That's okay, you can take care of that. Health of your father or a fatherly figure in the family will certainly improve. Okay, you may also enjoy good food and a festive atmosphere in the family. There could be many peaceful events or peaceful moments which you will enjoy in this family. So it's going to be a overall positive month because you were strained a little bit for the past few months. Now this month is going to be a better month for you. So what I would suggest is do these remedies and get the best out of this month. What you can do, Ardhastama Shani is still running for you. So I think reciting Hanuman Chalisa every day is what you must do. Now, listen to or recite Shri Suktam every day. If you want to donate a few things, donate yellow colored sweets, yellow colored cloths. You can donate rice or do Annadanam at a temple. Then if you want to donate something else as well, then honey, saffron, banana also could be donated specifically to a temple. Now if you visit Hanuman temple every Saturday, that is also going to bring you a lot of positivity and help you in dealing with stress as well as the slowness of action. So please do these remedies and make the best use of this month. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.